Hello, everyone, and welcome to Life Skills Collaborations Self Esteem Building class. My name is Melissa, and I will be your guide today. This is a guide on learning to correct low self esteem within ourselves. Let's get started. First, I would like to welcome all of our new students as well as all of our existing students. I hope that all of you are well, and I look forward to working with you all in the future. The materials that you'll need to complete this class is pen and pencil, paper, open ears, an open mind, and honesty. Our primary objective in this class is to learn to celebrate one another's unique characteristics and personality. The rules are to stay focused and remember that everything is a teachable moment. First thing first, let's ask ourselves, do we have low self esteem? Low self esteem causes people to focus on their flaws rather than the amazing things that make them different. Rather than build themselves up with positive self talk, they seem to have something negative to say about themselves. Sometimes we meet people in life that feel bad about themselves. That's called having low self esteem. They don't think that they fit in, they believe that they are different from other people, and they don't think that they'll be liked. It's important to remember that every person has qualities that are different from others. That's because everyone is unique. People should be happy that they are unique. This means that they are special and no one else is exactly like them. They're one of a kind. No one should feel like they don't fit in because each of us is unique. Therefore, we each stand out in our own special way. Our special qualities make us different from each other, yet we are all alike in certain ways too. We should celebrate one another. In today's discussion, we'll ask ourselves, do I fit in? This is very, very important in this day and age. There are so many things that are happening every day where we are constantly being put into a comparative state of mind. Let's review some of the ways that we often compare ourselves with our friends at school or at home. This is a question that we ask ourselves every day. Do I fit in? How do I see myself? In this activity, we're going to explore three different scenarios in which we often place ourselves in a comparative state of mind. Whether it's with friends, at school, or at home, we are constantly evaluating ourselves in certain situations. Please take time to go over each one of these and write three different points at which you view yourself with your friends, at school, and at home. For our next exercise, we'll be discovering self image. Self image is an important key to overcoming low self esteem. We'll take time to learn about ourselves as well as others in this exercise. In order to establish an answer, we must first ask ourselves a question. Question number one: in what ways do you wish you were more confident? Confidence is something that we learn to gain throughout life. And can you visualize yourself being more confident? Question number two: what are some ways that you are hard on yourself? Sometimes we are unnecessarily hard on ourselves. What are some negative things that you tell yourself? Question number three: what are some things that you know that you could do well? This could be playing basketball, this could be drawing, this could be painting, or even singing. Do you feel that others can acknowledge your personal talent? Activity time. Please take 30 minutes to complete the previous questions by pausing this video. Please remember to write an honest response to each of the previous questions. But follow each of the questions with a positive alternative response. For instance, I wish I was more confident at speaking in public. I can visualize myself speaking in front of large crowds. And the positive alternative response would be ways that I can increase my confidence by speaking in public is to meeting new people, reading out loud, and introducing myself with a stronger voice. Let's work together. This is an activity designed to help us find relatability to our classmates and peers. Break off into even groups, but try to choose classmates that you've never worked with before. Take turns reading your responses to either questions 1, 2, or 3. This is in an attempt to find a common ground amongst you all. Share words of encouragement to one another to show support and care. Can we all relate? Let's recap our class. After each question, please pause and have a discussion amongst the classroom. Please remember to be respectful of everyone and their answers and raise your hand. Question number 1. What is low self esteem? What is self image? How are we alike and different? What are my strengths and weaknesses? What are some ways we can encourage one another? What are some ways we can be more self confident? Are there some things that I want to change? Let's lead with our newfound confidence for the next week. Your homework will be for 1 week, write down 3 positive affirmations to say to yourself every morning before you start your day. Please be sure to document if this has helped to improve your self esteem. Thank you so much for joining us for class today. We'll see you next time.